Hello everyone, it's me Himangshu and welcome to Ramble and Curry. Traveling and exploring brings the inner joy, and the satisfaction of seeing a new place helps to pause the daily hustle and bustle and reset the mind. Today let's travel to Amsterdam and see what can be done in 48 hours. I'll be constantly uploading new videos in the channel, so kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever there's a new video uploaded. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you enjoyed watching the video, do like the video and share it with friends and family. So without further ado, let's get started.
As we landed in Amsterdam Central, we instantly realized that it is one of the largest railway stations we have ever seen. Link is provided in description so that you can plan your trip and get all the routes and fare details of Amsterdam. We went in to check into our hotel, which was just 10 minutes from Amsterdam Central by bus. Moxie Amsterdam Hood's Heaven by Marriott is a gorgeous hotel located at the oldest working harbour in Amsterdam. We got a room at the 4th floor, and the bed was so welcoming. The room featured floor-to-ceiling windows with amazing harbour views, free and fast Wi-Fi and a smart TV. You can also rent bikes from the hotel, which cost €15 per day. Now that's some serious bike parking lot. In Amsterdam, the most common mode of transportation is by bike, and you'll find people riding bikes everywhere. Dinner time, and we headed to Marina restaurant in Nieuwendyk, and a giant Dutch burger is my personal recommendation. This restaurant is located just 4 minutes walk from Amsterdam Central. Trip is incomplete if you don't visit a gift shop and buy a few fridge magnets. The nightlife in Amsterdam has a different vibe and has a great buzz, where everyone on the street is chilling.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down, feel alive when
The Wallen is a medieval city center, crossed by canals and narrow alleys, lined with old school bars. Surrounded by the neon-lit red light district, this place offers activities such as legal prostitution, a number of coffee shops that sell cannabis. Photography and videography are strictly prohibited in the red light district.
beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself.
This unique bridge is world's first 3D printed steel bridge.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Next day started with a great breakfast in the hotel, and by the time we headed out, it started raining. Talking about rain in Amsterdam, on an average it rains for 189 days a year. The driest month is in April, so quick tip, try planning to visit Amsterdam during the dry month, and guess we will do the same next year. We had anticipated about the weather, and the rain was not an option to stop us from exploring. So we continued traveling the city by hopping the trams and buses and walking down the streets. Time for lunch, and going to the avocado show was no-brainer. The menu can be accessed in the smartphone with help of the QR code. The presentation of the food is out of the world. It's the first all avocado restaurant in Amsterdam, which uses only sustainable and socially responsible avocados. It took some time to admire the dish and praise the craftsmanship and the technique in preparing the dish. As we had not purchased a ticket online, we had to stand in the queue for some time to get the tickets. The Moko Museum is an independent museum with a wide range of inspiring modern, contemporary, and street art. The museum showcases art in a very different way, which makes the audience connect with the statement the artist is trying to say. With every picture, the thought of the artist is provided to connect deeper and understanding the concept.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin, howling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for a collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in.
There are a few paintings which can be viewed in 3D using Moko app.
The colors right.
We then visited Van Gogh Museum, but unfortunately my phone battery was so low that the videos could not be captured. Rain didn't stop, and we needed to boost the energy by having a cup of strong coffee. Amsterdam, vibrant with belts of blue trams and bikes. Canals which surrounds the place and reflects the light at night. The energy of never sleeping coffee shops, where to the surprise does not serve coffee, but a cannabis product to lift up the spirit. The city has so many variations and yet remains so humble. The friendliness of the Dutch will make you visit this place again and again in life. If you have enjoyed the video, then please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram to be more connected. Dinner in Sampurna was overwhelming, and I had the best Indonesian food in my life. And the day ended with a Heineken at hotel lobby.